I hate welding.
Welcome back to TNT's Garage.
This week's episode, we are going to be getting into welding and finishing the flatbed. Are you sure this is gonna work?
This will be just fine.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. Because it'll be behind the fender.
Cut once, measure twice.
You can always extend it out.
Oh,
It's drawing day.
well.
Arts and crafts. You push that piece of paper down so it stays flat against the...
And it will on.
There's a spidey.
Keep going, you have to do that edge too.
that back end.
Let's see.
Oh,
It works now.
Kill it.
It's like the
Helps to ground it.
I just got friends to do my. Oh, good thing you got a side.
What I can do is I'll take that off.
Yeah.
Have what end with? No.
No.
Let me cut this side first and then we can flip it and then I can do that.
Safety last. I'm on fire, everybody. Dude, I'm burning my knees. It'll bust off.
Not ready.
Back. There.
Hang right on this one.
Yeah, just push like you just did that.
No,
The garbage can hide it.
Ah, I got holes in my hands.
Everybody said album news are
If any of you didn't know, we're tack welding.
Really?
Some
If
people
you
are,
look right into it.
some people are more retarded than you. I know, it's crazy.
That's wild, dude. No way.
You're getting hot. Well, I'm looking at this side, and when it turns molten red, I know he's about to burn through. Broadway chips, love 'em. Broadway chips, Broadway chips. I'm gonna invent that. Electricity waves.
If you create a magnetic field.
We're actually gonna make the ground, like have a thing of electricity run through it, and then we're gonna make your boots conductive, so then it like goes through your body.
But you don't feel it? Yeah, but I weld with Crocs.
But you have to weld with certain boots.
Has to be welding boots or
Don't take my idea.
I can see you when you make it.
I've never.
What do you think? It's curvy.
Reminds you of every time.
She's got some wide hips now. Day 2 or 17. Nobody's counting.
Nobody's counting. What day is it again?
Fabbing up flatbed crap. I'm gonna take it to my high school class and finish it up. the final welds because our welder's kind of, it goes on like dog for some reason. Some good welds over here and then it like turns to trash.
It's your plasma.
You can cut it.
No, you're cutting it.
No.
You're cutting it.
No.
Yeah.
No. I can't see anything out of there. So you gotta like yell at me if I start cutting like sideways.
We'll do it grinding mode.
That's pretty good.
Look at that little jiggy jaggy.
Woo! Dad, it goes through the jacket. Ow. I felt one in my armpit. Or 76,000th day.
How many days?
3. Can you go play Call of Duty?
No.
Safer up there.
No. And it's 9 o'clock. 9:26 on a Thursday night. 36.
Pretty good for a white guy.
I know. You did.
His new songs are trash. I'm gonna need a long straight edge. If you want my cut to look like the month of June, then I'd recommend you stop moving. Wow! One bit of a straight truck.
That's the funniest thing I've heard out of you.
That's blue collar right now.
You see that smart truck, dude? That's real country.
That's big country. Is that gonna be like a better cut, like on the flatbed?
Whatever. Nice automobile. Right here.
Clamp it.
There you go.
Yeah, sure.
Comment below if you like Cal in those glasses. Or do you think he needs to change them?
Help me out, I'm gonna cut my whip.
I don't think you want to do that.
Everybody okay?
I don't know what the frick happened. Dragon, come on, hold it.
Brother!
Tack it like right there.
Many months later.
It's like a few months now. We're back out here grinding away on this flatbed. We kind of like get disenchanted with the trucks because it gets so hot outside. So it's kind of bringing back to the fall, but we really don't have a fall here. It's October and it's 100 degrees outside. We're still just trying to grind away on this thing. Welding on it a bit more, trying to clean it up so we can get it done. Let's take turns with the grinder and film each other. Guys, it's literally October and it's 100 degrees outside. And it's like 7:43 at night. It's 100 degrees out here. Sucks. Pumpkin lattes and wake surfing.
Pumpkin lattes.
I hate welding.
Talon's welding. Sir, what are you welding today? He's welding. We had to cut this off. Now we're grinding it. I'm trying to make it look good. Fun stuff. Getting some grinding done today. Hopefully get this thing ready for primer. Be awesome.
The idea is that we're going to put some lights along this side of the bed. That's why we recessed this channel here. Just some chicken lights. So we're going to space them about 10 inches apart all the way across. So they'll be yellow. Then we'll put a red one back here on the back. But for right now, I'm just going to plasma cut the holes. So when we prime the bed, we can prime in those holes too.
I'm building supports because it's kind of like moving really bad. I'm just bracing it, it's just stronger. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the day has finally come. We are gonna throw some primer down. Yesterday we finished up all of our fabrication and then it got a little windy. Today's hopefully the day we'll throw some primer on it, kind of see how bad we did, see how it looks. Say we can tell viewers what happened, but it's a little more.
I don't think we'd be able to show that.
Yeah.
Let's just say I was able to touch my leg bone.
A little more graphic for the YouTube. Right, so you saw us spray our epoxy primer on it on the bare steel. So we sprayed high build and then we scuffed that down. Now we're waxing to grease. We're gonna spray our sealer coat on and then we're just gonna go for paint.
Got her done.
Still drying.
Wait, we're coming over. Who's coming to see?
Are they pretty bright?
You know what it is? Oh yeah, they're bright. They're sick. That's gonna look bad towing my truck.
No, they're off.
Dad, just turn them on.
Those things are bright. They'll just stick on a pit light.
On this side, town was on that side, and then quit.
Let's go over what we did. Was a original flatbed. We skirted the whole thing. We added some finishing touches. We got some black smoked out lights for the top. And then we ended up cutting out a Chevrolet logo up in the top. And then that's going to be backlit. So then when the running lights are on, it'll just be a Chevrolet running light. We did our chicken lights down the side. Just kept it simple back there. Did 3 little lights there. And just 2 brake lights. We'll probably end up smoking those out. But yeah, it turned out really nice.
Thanks for watching.
Stay tuned, guys, because we have another video coming for you. Something's on them finally. And yeah, we'll kind of do like a little reveal video, show you what it's all about.